Holy, this looks so good. As you guys can tell, okay, that was weird. I don't know if someone's playing that or I don't know. Whatever. Let's go. As you guys can tell here, we have a the heck. Okay, I don't know if that's in my head or someone's just playing that right now, but it's really strange. Whatever. We have a 2 liter of. What is that? Someone playing that right now? Or just in my head? We have a 2 liter of. Alright, I'm done. I'm not doing this. Whatever. Dislike the video. I don't care. Whatever.
A few moments later.
As you guys can tell here, this is a 2 liter bottle of cotton candy Faygo. I love cotton candy, so this is going to be really good. A Faygo is obviously a soda pop that tastes really good. I don't really know what other way to describe it. In my last 2 liter Faygo chug, I obviously chugged a 2 liter bottle of blueberry Faygo soda pop. But that video blew up. It got over 20,000 views on it. I'm pretty sure it's pushing 30,000 right now. I decided to come back with another 2 liter Faygo chug because obviously the first one tasted good and I wanted to try another one. Before I destroy this cotton candy right here, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. You guys already know what it is, so smash over 30,000 likes on this video. I don't know. We don't even have 30,000 on this channel. What am I saying right now? I'm basically just going to be seeing how fast I can chug this 2 liter bottle of cotton candy Faygo soda pop. Let's go. Let's eat some cotton candy. Let's go. Let's open this up. You know what that smells like? That smells exactly like cotton candy. 2 liters of cotton candy in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing has hella suds right here. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's so good. There it was. That was a 2 liter bottle of cotton candy. That was like a minute 24 seconds or whatever. That was a chug, the cotton candy Faygo chug. If you guys haven't seen the 2 liter blueberry Faygo chug, then I'll leave a card up there. You guys can check that out. Comment down below other videos you guys want to see like this. Anything down below in the comments. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. On the road to 2K. I think we just hit 1.6K, so thank you guys for that. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you need to stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys in the next one. And we're out. Gotta wish there were more.